Imagine unlocking your Galaxy phone and feeling it react to you in real time. The colors shift subtly, the icons seem to breathe, and the animations flow smoother than ever before. Imagine your phone learning your habits, predicting your moves, and giving you a UI that feels alive. That's the world Samsung is creating with One UI 8.5. Before watching, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Insights so you can get notified on daily tech updates and never miss what's next in the tech world. Welcome back to Tech Insights, where we break down the latest and greatest in technology that shapes your everyday life. Today, we're diving into something that's more than just another software patch. It's a visual and functional transformation that will redefine how Galaxy users experience their phones. Yes, I'm talking about Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5 update. While Samsung hasn't made a massive announcement yet, leaks, internal builds, and early beta sightings suggest this could be the biggest jump since One UI 6. And when you see what's inside, you'll understand why. The first thing you'll notice in One UI 8.5 is the brand new quick panel customization system. Samsung has finally given users full control over the layout. You can resize toggles, move them anywhere, and even create your own pages of shortcuts. It's no longer a rigid grid, it's your personal command center. Want Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, quick share, and dark mode right under your thumb? Don't. Want an entire page dedicated to smart home controls or media playback? Easy. This redesign turns a small daily gesture, pulling down the quick panel, into something fluid, useful, and genuinely yours. Combine that with an expanded edit mode where you can drag third-party controls into the panel, and suddenly your Galaxy feels like a personalized machine instead of a factory preset phone. But customization isn't the only story here, it's also about design evolution. One UI 8.5 introduces a refined visual language with depth, shadow, and polish. Samsung is bringing back a hint of 3D to the icons, giving them a soft lifted look that catches light as you move. Animations feel smoother and more human, like the system finally has rhythm. The app drawer and settings menus now feature redesigned pill-shaped bars at the bottom, making one-handed navigation effortless, especially on large devices like the S25 Ultra or Z Fold 6. The entire interface feels airier, more breathable, and most importantly, faster to use. Samsung has trimmed the clutter, reorganized space, and added a layer of sophistication that makes the phone look and feel premium even before you unlock it. Next, Samsung DeX gets its biggest upgrade yet. One UI 8.5 brings multi-desktop support, letting you create up to 4 separate virtual desktops, just like you would on a full computer. You can dedicate one for work, one for entertainment, one for personal projects, and one just for gaming. Switching between them is instant. If you're using your Galaxy as a productivity tool, this single addition will completely change how you work. Combine that with faster app loading, improved memory allocation, and better device pairing between your phone and monitor, and Samsung DeX finally feels like a legitimate desktop replacement. Of course, this update also builds heavily on AI. Galaxy AI is now more deeply integrated than ever before. The generative photo editor inside the gallery has been re-engineered. Now, when you remove or modify something in an image, you can keep editing without having to save a copy every single time. There's even a history panel that lets you go back through your edit step by step, bringing desktop-level photo editing right to your smartphone. A new feature called direct voicemail has also been discovered in the Dialer app, allowing callers to leave a recorded message automatically if you can't answer. Pair that with the new transcript assist tool that converts voicemails into text, and suddenly your missed calls aren't just missed, they're organized and accessible instantly. Another addition that's quietly brilliant is Samsung's work on privacy and convenience. A new mode reportedly called Private Display dims and narrows viewing angles to prevent shoulder surfing, perfect for when you're in public or working on sensitive information. There's also talk of an upgraded Smart Suggest system that uses Galaxy AI to learn your daily routines and pre-load the apps or functions you'll likely need next. Imagine finishing a call and your phone automatically opening notes for you to jot something down, or launching Spotify the moment your Bluetooth earbuds connect. That's the kind of predictive flow One UI 8.5 aims to deliver. Visually, Samsung is adding life to every detail. The wallpaper engine now includes dynamic animated backgrounds that react to your phone's movements through the gyro sensor. Tilt your phone, and the background subtly shifts in perspective. It's like holding a small digital world in your hand. The new animation system is smoother, transitions feel cinematic, and even minor gestures like opening notifications have a bounce and fluidity that make the system feel alive. It's one of those subtle touches you might not notice immediately, but once you do, you'll feel it every time you interact with your device. The icons, too, are evolving. Samsung is introducing a faint 3D gradient effect that makes them look as if they're floating above the wallpaper. Combined with a slightly translucent quick panel and updated app interfaces, everything just looks more cohesive. From the phone app to the gallery, everything has been redesigned with usability in mind. Buttons have been lowered for easier thumb reach, contact favorites are now visual cards, and navigation between tabs feels more natural. It's not just a cosmetic facelift, it's usability refinement at its best. Underneath all this beauty, One UI 8.5 is expected to be based on Android 16 QPR2, bringing better battery optimization, smoother app transitions, and enhanced background management. That means better performance without sacrificing longevity. Early testers report noticeably cooler operation during gaming and faster multitasking between heavy apps like YouTube and Chrome. And while these improvements may sound technical, they translate directly to real-life smoothness. Fewer lags, faster touch response, and a phone that feels tuned, not forced. As for rollout, One UI alongside the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026 with the S25 lineup likely getting it shortly after. The update should also reach devices like the Galaxy S23 Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 in the months following the official launch. And yes, even Samsung's mid-range A series and M series phones are expected to get a taste of it eventually. Samsung's update schedule has improved dramatically over the past 2 years, so the wait shouldn't be long. So there you have it. The future of Samsung's software experience. One UI 8.5 isn't just an update, it's a statement that Samsung is serious about blending intelligence, design, and personalization into one seamless experience. It's smarter, smoother, and more aware of how you use your phone. And if you thought your Galaxy was already perfect, One UI 8.5 might just prove there's still room to be surprised. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your Galaxy friends, and subscribe to Tech Insights so you never miss our next deep dive into the tech world. Because the future of mobile is already here, and it's running One UI 8.5.